kiss.
Okay, so 3:30 p.m. First activity natin. Anong gagawin natin? Kids club, playground.
Ano, sa may labas.
Hanggang oras daw yung pool?
Hanggang 10 p.m.
So 3:30 to 4:30 playground, 5 p.m. swimming. Kasi 8:30 yung dinner. 8:30 to 10:30. Kaya mo 30 minutes ayos? Hindi.
Grabe naman.
1 hour.
Ay,
So,
di naman ako
7:30.
magsaswimming eh.
Punta tayo sa executive lounge. Tapos, balik tayo sa room ng 10:30 after dinner. Nod-nod muna tayo. O kaya kan... Tapos... Hi!
今の一歩先二歩先を見る生きそろそろ満ちたよ
Look up. Go, go, go.
Kachopoy! Ano yung monogram? To whom it may concern. Babasahin ko na parang boses mo. To my love, engraved with our son's name, so you see always carry a piece of our love in you. What's this? Monogram! Nangyari ba?
Okay.
Wow, ano to? Bracelet or ano? Sinukat mo ba yan? Wrist ko, abang tulog ako. Wow, parang sinukat. Thank you, asawa. So, after nito, pahinga lang saglit. We'll prepare na for the dinner buffet na may lechon. So, I am super excited. Let's go! Hi! Magkasuyo buong gabi, masaya't magkatabi, magkayakap sa buong magdamag. Hello, good evening.
Lang po yung
Muffin? Walang muffin?
Stop. Stop. Red light. Red light. Understand? Let's get a pop.
Waiting for the fireworks. Here.
In fairness, ang ganda.
Grabe, best fireworks na na-experience ko so far.
Thank you, Hilton Clark.
All my life. Tsaka perfect lang yung distance yan, no? Balik na tayo sa room to play, eat, and sleep. Sir. Home service? Wala.
Wala.
Fries. And that ends our stay at Hilton. Happy New Year, everyone. More content this 2026. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!